Okay, I'll give you guys an update. I'm finally done. So it's hard for me to focus there, but that's what it looks like. Had to take the bracket out, the original bracket. I would say the hardest part is getting the clamp back on the turbo and the downpipe together. There's obviously a dowel that fits up in there. And it's like, I believe if you're looking at a clock, and it would be like the 3 o'clock position, and then getting the heat shield back on. I had to completely move the heat shield out of the way. But other than that, I mean, once you get that clamp back on, it's pretty simple. After that, connecting the two connectors up here, really not a big deal or anything like that. But getting that clamp on was a pain in the butt. OTT did provide the actual gasket here, because you don't use the donut, use a flat gasket along with the actual 2 bolts that go in there as well. And I have an aftermarket exhaust. I don't have the OEM exhaust. So